Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to some of my updates that I made to my pet grooming business plan template for 2024 using artificial intelligence. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll go through some of the updates that I made to the business plan template for my pet grooming. And when we're done with that, we'll wrap it up and sum it up and call it a day. All right, let's get through it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. First update that I made to the template was I added a place for a business logo. As we all know, a lot of businesses, we're using business logos now. And so it only makes sense to have an area on your business plan, specifically your cover page for your business logo. So what I've done is I redesigned the cover page. And at the top, I've got pet grooming. You can put your name there. And then underneath, you can go ahead and put a copy of your logo. And then underneath that, we've got business plan. Now, if you like this logo right here, you want to use it, knock yourself out, have fun, completely up to you. But at least you've now got some versatility. And you can also go ahead and easily update and customize your title page now with this version for the pet grooming business plan template. The second area that I updated was the services section. So previously in my previous versions for the pet grooming, I would just list the grooming services that were available. For example, pet grooming, bathing, pet photos, specialty services, and so on and so forth. Now what I've done is I used artificial intelligence and I came up with just a few sentences for an introduction. Adds a little bit more meat to the bone, gives y'all a little bit more area to customize to make it your own for the business plan template. And then finally, industry research. As we all know, having up-to-date industry research is critical for any business plan, especially for the pet grooming and the boarding industry. So for my template, what I did is I went to IBIS World, which is a company that I get my industry research, obtained their latest report for the pet grooming and boarding industry, and then I just extrapolated some of the information from there. For example, revenues, profits, profit margin, businesses, employment, wages, all that good stuff. And I succinctly summarized it into the template. And so now you have updated industry research for the pet grooming industry and your business plan. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. Let's go ahead and now wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.